Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix Meta Business Suite not working, common app, dashboard, and login fixes. First, fixing login loops and failures. Use an incognito slash private window. For Google Chrome, click the three dots and select New Incognito Window, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus N and Command plus Shift plus N on Mac. Apple Safari. Click File, then select New Private Window, or press Command plus Shift plus N. For Microsoft Edge, click the three dots, select New in Private Window, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. In Mozilla Firefox, click the three lines, select New Private Window, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Second, select Login with a different account. If your browser autofills your profile picture, do not click it. Manually select the option to sign in with a different account and re-enter your credentials. Third, turn on two-factor authentication 2FA. For business portfolios older than 90 days, Meta will quietly restrict access until 2FA is active. So go to your personal Facebook security settings to ensure 2FA is turned on. Fourth, clear blocked cookies. On Google Chrome, click three dots, then go to Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, then click on Third-party cookies and allow third-party cookies. For Microsoft Edge, click three dots, then go to Settings, go to Cookies and Site Permissions, then tap on Manage and Delete Cookies, then turn off Block Third-Party Cookies. For Apple Safari Mac, click Safari menu, go to Settings, then Privacy, and uncheck Block All Cookies or Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. On Mozilla Firefox, click three lines, then go to Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, then select Standard Protection or Custom and uncheck Cookies. For Apple iOS, Chrome/Safari, open the device settings, tap on browser name, for example, Safari or Chrome, then turn off Prevent Cross-Site Tracking/turn on Allow Cross-Website Tracking. Fix 2. Resolving dashboard and blank screen errors. First, fix account conflicts. If you simultaneously manage separate unrelated Instagram and Facebook profiles, Meta can attempt to direct you to the wrong portfolio. Clear this by typing https://business.facebook.com/ directly into your address bar and clicking log out to completely reset active sessions. Second, purge browser storage. For Google Chrome, click three dots, then go to delete browsing data, and in it check cookies and cache image and click delete data. Microsoft Edge, click three dots, go to Settings, then go to Privacy, Search and Services, and under Clear Browsing Data, click Choose What to Clear and then tap on Clear Now. Apple Safari Mac, click Safari menu, go to Settings, then go to Advanced, and check Show Features for Web Developers and click Develop menu and then tap on Empty Caches. Mozilla Firefox, click three lines, then go to Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, and scroll to Cookies and Site Data and then click Clear Data. Apple iOS Safari, open device settings, then tap on Safari. Now scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. Third, bypass via Ads Manager. If the primary dashboard displays a content isn't available error, navigate to your main Facebook business page instead. Use the left-hand menu to click Ads Center, select All Ads, and access your business settings from inside the Meta Ads Manager workspace. Audit your permission. If you log in but your assets are missing, verify your structural roles. Have a business owner open business settings, then go to People, find your name, and verify you are explicitly granted full control over the specific pages and ad accounts. 6.3. Fixing mobile app glitches. Force logout via Facebook app. Open your primary personal Facebook mobile app, navigate to the security settings, and select log out of all sessions. This acts as master reset for linked Meta Business tokens. Clear the app cache on Android. Long press the Meta Business Suite icon, then tap on App Info, go to Storage, and from there select Clear Cache. Next, reinstall the application. Delete the app from your device completely, reboot your smartphone, and then download the latest from the App Store or Google Play Store. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.